Good evening. My name is Diana Botina. I'm studying Regency Pharmacy in work in pharmacy of the city Bogota. I live in the city Bogota. Mm, house 1, house 2. House 1 has one floor. House 2 has two floors. House 1 has green meadows, and house 2 has a pool. In house 1 has tree, and house 2 has flowers and tree. House 1 in the parking, and house 2 there is not. House 1, house 2 very large. House 1 is house 1 is countryside, and house 2 in the city. Thank you.